channel. Yo, how have you guys been? Thank you for the love so far. Thank you for watching all of my videos. If you're new here, please like, share, comment and subscribe. I always read the comment section. Thank you. So what are we going to be doing today? So today basically I'm going to be braiding someone's hair, my client, and I felt like let me video and show you guys the whole process. So yeah, I'm just starting. So this is Rich Braid color 51. We're going to be mixing gray and black. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. So yeah, we're going to be mixing this and black Rich Braid Expression color 1. Yes. I'm sure the boys will not like this video. However, you guys should learn, because I noticed that as in girls really like when guys do their hair or their makeup. Do you get? So you guys can actually learn as well. So this is the second. We're using 3 and then the third one is down there. So for the back I'll be cutting cut 3 and then the front I'll be doing cut 2. Yeah, because we're not doing Rapunzel. Okay. So I think I'll forward all these parts so you guys will not be bored. I was basically trying to untangle the hair and lose out the braids from it so that it's going to be a straight, I don't know, please be watching. Okay, I've been able to finally untangle. So cut 3, 1, 2 and 3. Do you guys see? I'm just going to pick out the braids like this. So basically I don't know, you hold it like this and you just pull out. This prevents the braid from having sharp end. You get? If you're doing braids that is going to have a sharp end and it's going to have a loose tip at the ending, you don't need to pick the attachment. But for this here, we're picking the attachments, if that makes sense. So just be careful not to get it tangled at the ending, at the, like when you're pulling, you know, when you're pulling it goes like this. Be careful not to let it tangle because it will be difficult to brush out. I'm not a good teacher, but I believe you get what I'm saying. Ah, this baby's fine even without makeup. Ah, oh, God finish work with me. Don't be say, hey, get. This baby's mad. I have finished picking out the hair and combing, brushing, oiling it and stuff. So it's ready to be used. Does that make sense? I'm dividing the hair into sections, like line by line. I think vertically, only vertical, only horizontal. I'm dividing the hair because it's not the usual braid, it's box braid. So I need to go like line by line, layers by layers. So that's just basically what I'm doing here.